Hey queens, I'm back with another wig review, and today I'm giving you guys a wig update on this synthetic wig that I tried in the past year. It was so good back then, but we're going to reinstall it, and I'm going to let you know if I still think that it is worth it. So let's jump right into it. The info to this wig will be in the description of this video and in the comment section if you guys are interested, as well as some of the products that I used within this video. Alright you guys, so this is the wig Sensationnel Barelace Unit 14, and like I said, this wig is really impressive in my opinion, y'all. The texture of this wig is like a light yaki texture. It's really lightweight and fluffy. To me, it's a nice natural density, not too heavy, not too thick, but it's also not too thin. As you can see, I have a lot of volume here as I'm showing you guys the lace. And like I said, this is an update wig review, so I have already styled this. I already went in and tinted the lace and all of that, and I'm just bringing the wig back out to wear it today. So I'm brushing the wig out, kind of letting you guys see how it looks in a middle and a side part. The middle part actually looks really good on this wig. But of course, I chose a side part. Y'all know I'm a side part girly. Okay, I love a side part. So that's what I chose. And this time, I'm taking heat to the wig. This time, I'm going to be adding heat to the wig using this hot comb. Y'all, I've had this hot comb since 2019, and it still works really well for me. So I'm using it today to flatten this wig out some. And I definitely think that it made a difference. Now, this wig is supposed to be able to be worn glueless, but I am going to glue this wig down just for more security. And the product that I'm using, I recently showed you guys in a full video. I'll put the info down below. It's really good for beginners in my opinion, and in my opinion, it works really well. So y'all, I'm brushing the wig out using the mini brush, which I also really like using on my wigs and natural hair. And here is the final result. Is this wig still worth it? In my opinion, definitely yes. I really like this wig. I don't have any cons that I can think of right now. It's nice density, nice feel, and the look is really flattering. Here's a look at the back. I definitely think this wig is worth it, y'all. So again, the info will be down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video very soon. If you like this style, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Love y'all. Bye, y'all.